They finally got married. I'll show the mistake to you.
Show to the mistake.
You didn't show your plan to anyone.
Do you own an instrument?
You are a great violin player. Tom, do you play the violin when you're stressed out? Maybe I can learn an instrument too.
Oh, I love that comedian. How are Tom and Kevin? There is usually one swimmer in the lake. Less. Cuisine. Racket.
Green. Swimmer.
Was the door closed?
Was the door closed?
Door. Bedroom.
Online.
Last. Password.
You are a great violin player. Tom,